Okay, on this rainy day today, I'm putting Team Catfish Fiber Nuggets up against Kool-aid Chicken. I'm here at a local pond that was recently stocked with farm catfish. It should be a real good test between these two baits. And this is the last of my fiber nuggets. So let's see what I can catch today. Right, fiber nuggets. Kool-aid Chicken. Now we wait. Well, no bites yet. And we have really heavy rain heading this way. It's probably going to hit in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Thankfully, my camera is waterproof. I just have to make sure all my batteries and stuff are in the truck. Maybe I'll get a bite during the rain. Well, I've had these out here for quite a while, so I think I'm going to try some pond hopping today. So maybe one of the bigger ponds out in Alcoa, Tennessee will have something. All right, I've moved here to what I call the Alcoa cyanide pond, where they, a few years back, found lethal levels of cyanide in. They still stock it with catfish, and people still eat catfish out of here. It's just not that safe. But let's put some fiber nuggets out first. And then some Kool-aid Chicken. Kool-aid Chicken. Okay, saying lethal levels of cyanide is probably a little bit of an exaggeration, but they found a lot more than what you'd find out in nature. The biggest worry is we're right next to an elementary school, and all of this land around here was a waste dump for toxic materials back in the past. And what they did, they built schools on it and a pond. And I tell you what, the Alcoa government, they don't like it when people talk about this, so hopefully I won't get in trouble. That's why I don't fish out here that often. First bite of the day, and I kind of slowly took it down. Might be a turtle. Just got to tap on the fiber nugget. A little bit more activity than the previous pond. I moved a little bit and already getting some action on the Team Catfish Fiber Nuggets. It seems like I'm getting more pecks on the fiber nuggets than I am on the chicken. These are farm-raised fish. It's definitely not as good as I've seen in the past. This must be a really bad day to fish. That was a surprise. Fiber nuggets. I was not paying attention. Am I recording? Yep. I thought for sure I'd catch one on the chicken, so the fiber nuggets finally get out fish. But today is not that day. Nice little channel catfish on Team Catfish Fiber Nuggets. Almost makes me feel like a salesman, but man, these things have been out fishing everything that I've thrown in the water. It did take me a very long time to get this guy today. But the Fiber Nuggets got a little channel catfish on a really bad day of fishing. It's still raining a little bit. Give you guys a better look at him. You would think on a rainy day with this low pressure that the fishing would be better. But for whatever reason, I've had a hard time. Catching this little guy means I am not skunked. And this is a young one. He's got a bunch of spots on him. All right, I'm going to put this guy back in the water. I really don't have anything left in here. I've gone through this entire bag. Just got small sliver pieces left. Just a very little bit on there. They are small catfish in here. I'm going to check the chicken. Nothing. When I moved over here, I had nothing on my hook as well, so they're stripping the bait off the hook real easy. Maybe if I thread the line through it, it will stay on. I think that's it. All I have are crumbles left. So this is the last of the Team Catfish Fiber Nuggets. I'm probably going to stay here about 30 more minutes and then I'm going to call it. Been getting rained on all day. Oh. Fiber Nuggets again. Out fishing the Kool-Aid Chicken. Kind of a bigger one. Don't break my line. Once again, right in the corner of the mouth. That's 1/0 Team Catfish double action circle hooks and Team Catfish Fiber Nuggets. Nice channel catfish. And that right there is the last of my Fiber Nuggets. I don't have any more. I'll have to buy some more. I've had this bag for maybe 2 years. Now I've caught a lot of channel cats with this stuff. And I know there is a lot of people that swear by Kool-Aid Chicken. But here's the evidence that the Team Catfish Fiber Nuggets might be just a little bit better than Kool-Aid Chicken. At least with farm-raised fish, I do need to try this out on the lake once I get another packet of Fiber Nuggets. But once again, beautiful, beautiful channel catfish. Got polka dots all over it. Whoa! Got to be careful, these fins are sharp. I'm going to go ahead and let this guy go. Now this might be a really bad thing to ask, but I want to know what you guys think. Are the Team Catfish Fiber Nuggets better than Kool-Aid Chicken? Now the comments on this video are going to be on fire. I'm going to go ahead and get this reeled up and I'm going to head back to the house. I want to thank you guys for taking your time out of your day to watch my video. I really, really appreciate it. Hopefully I can get the boat out one of these days and stick a really big one in the boat. And like the previous time I've reeled in the chicken, nothing on the hook. About 6 hours worth of fishing and I caught 2 fish. If I was desperate, I'd have a meal today. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time.